Hi, it's even Mark, and we're here at the Lindt Home of Chocolate, and this is where there's a museum and you get a tour. It's over an hour, and it's over an hour tour, which will be really cool. And we are in the outskirts of Lake Zurich, and you can smell the chocolate as they come in, as we drove in. So here's factory, so it's really cool, and you can see people all coming up here, and there is Lake Zurich right over there. So come with us as we take you to the Lindt Spring Week Museum Tour and see the wonderful world of chocolate. Our motto is live well and travel well, and we take you all around the world.